I was here to take part in a panel discussion on the Centre's response to COVID-19 pandemic and work in improving the health sector nationally, regionally, and globally in general. So I basically talked about our role in the COVID-19 pandemic, how we had assisted at the initial stages in testing positive samples or suspected positive cases in collaboration with the Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research, and how we subsequently went on to conduct seroprevalence studies as well as genetic sequencing of viral samples.
As part of the discussion today, I've heard about how this program has been very catalytic, in many ways in building capacity, in training the next generation of African scientists. But then I think our specific contribution to the program as the SG, the African Center of Excellence for Genomics of Infectious Disease, has been definitely to show how we've been able to transform, epidemic and pandemic response in Africa using technologies and then knowledge of genomics that we've created, but also looking forward, at least proposing the way forward. And then through that proposal of the way forward, we basically are proposing, a program that will basically a system that we established in 2020 called Sentinel. That is an early warning system for pandemic response and preemption and response. And we believe that, such a program could be very transformational in the way we can all work as a global public health community to prevent, the next epidemic, going forward.
Over the last decade, the ACE program has catalyzed, galvanized, just made everything that Dr. Happy and I do possible. And it's been an extraordinary impact on our own lives and our own work. And then to get to come here and see all of the different ACEs together, and to think about how that network can further galvanize and catalyze our work together. I mean, it's an extraordinary network. It's really like the only one in the world like it, where you're really having universities and academic groups and researchers around a continent all working together with a shared vision. And I think this is an extraordinary thing that World Bank has done. I had to be here. When I got the invitation, I was so honored and delighted to be here that I want to be here and be part of it.